Hey guys, I wanted to talk a little bit about how to join your courses for Google Classroom. The way it's going to work in this class is, step one is I'm going to send you a join code via your email. Stay on the lookout for that. Then you're going to go to the Google Classroom page. I'm going to assume most of you know how to get there, but if you don't, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a little bit. And then you're going to enter the code that I emailed to you in order to join the class. All right, so regarding step one here, getting the join code, that's obviously up to me. I have to send it to you. It'll come via email, in a couple of days or so. For the getting to Google Classroom, if you're not sure how to do that, let's say just for the sake of argument, oh no, here I am looking at my email. This is not the right thing. All right, well, you would come over here and look at all these things over here. Oh, there is Classroom. All right, and so then when you click on Classroom, it'll bring you to something that'll look like, well, not like this. You won't have 3 different classes of honors physics and such, but this is what mine looks like. Now, over here is this little plus. That's where we get to step 3. Step 3, join class is the one that you're going to do. And notice when join class comes up, it says class code, and that's where you enter the code that I shall email to you, and then you'll click join, and it will enroll you in my course. All right, hopefully that was a sufficiently simple guide, and you guys got it. So I'll see you on the internet. Thanks.